Alright, guys. Let's go. Alright. Look at that bright sun. Okay. This is just a ride video right now. Unless I find something interesting. But, until then. We're down to the muddy pit. About all the chickening. Is that a dead bird? Yeah, that's a dead bird. Okay, guys, we're going back. Get on it. Yeah, that's a freaking dead bird. That's a dead bird. Wow. Probably those stupid coyotes that ate my freaking chickens too. Yo! Oh my god, this could have been my chicken feathers. Bro, my chicken was gray. Bro! Yo, dude, I'm getting caught, bro. What? Dude. Yo, guys. Dude. Bro, come here. Dude, look. What? I might have found Priscilla's feathers. The chickens. Oh, God. Whoops. Whoop-de-doo.
Maybe it's just a dead bird.
Yeah, it might just be a dead bird, but...
Yeah, because, like, that was, like, 3 years ago.
Yeah, but still the coyote could have came from... Honestly, that might have been... Like, those over there could have been Elvis feathers, and these could be Priscilla's. We got coyotes. Fun.
But wouldn't they be closer together?
I don't know. Or maybe... No, maybe not, because... How they'd get out of their cages at different times.
No, but then, wasn't Elvis's purpose to protect?
Yeah, but... he just tried to eat us human beings.
Yeah, I remember that.
I'm taking mud chunks off, so...
Oh my god, my feet are so sweaty.
What?
My feet.
Oh,
It's like a literal pool in here.
maybe don't step in the swamp.
No, it's like in my shoes. Because it's so sweaty.
Yeah, but guys, that was a pretty interesting thing. Pretty fun. I just made a mud ball. Hi! Right, now we're getting mud off our pool. Yo, bro, I have a perfect game to play.
Yeah?
Actually, guys, I'll tell you on the next video. So, bye, guys. Hold on, let me just do something real quickly. Hold on, just a second. Alright.